Hi, how you doing today? I'm talking today about something that I'm really enthusiastic about. I do the cooking for our Good Friday fish fry here at the church, and I'm in the church kitchen. About 3 years ago, I went to a green convention, and a family there was promoting a new product, rice bran oil, Suriny, and I fell in love with it. The reason why I fell in love with it is because it makes everything taste so good. And when we brought it to deep fry with it, we found that people would get their fish dinners or fish sandwiches, and they would take them home and be able to heat them up. It had no aftertaste. They said it tasted just like when they first bought it on Good Friday. This oil has vitamin E in it. It has antioxidants. When you use it in your regular cooking, which I do at home now, for everything. Hey, I put it on toast, just like you would butter. I like ancient grains like barley. I like things that most people don't eat today. But I find I have to have good nutrition, or I can't roll like I roll. Work, church, and union. That's my life. And every nutritional product, every meal I have, where there's olive oil in the recipe, I use rice bran oil. And Suriny is trying to give people something new and something different. This oil does not smoke. We have the old-fashioned Vulcan stove. We have new fryers. I even bring in my turkey fryer and set it right in. And in everything we cook in, we are able to control the temperature, drain the oil out, and use it again. It doesn't break down because it has all these wonderful nutritional things in it. So I'm today just endorsing it. I've used it now for 3 years in the kitchen, and I won't use anything else. And we have it in 2 sizes. We'd like to get people to start ordering it so that the demand can be built up. Once you start using this oil in place of olive oil and in place of your other cooking oils, we'll be able to get it back in the stores. And everybody can get these natural antioxidants. It has vitamin E, plant steroids, and something called gamma oryzanol. All I know is that when I cook with it or use it, I even use it in my air fryer. I just wipe it inside the basket before I put the food in. It has a wholesome taste. I know that I'm eating something good. The glass is a 23-ounce bottle, and you can get it online at suriny-usa.com. And the 50-ounce plastic bottle is available on amazon.com. Try it. Try it in your sauteing, your stir frying, try it in your baking, try this oil you put in your grains, your rice. And after you have cooked your pasta, because you don't put oil in your water with your pasta, you want your sauces and everything to go in, stir about a teaspoon of it in there, and you will see and feel and taste the difference. Suriny Rice Bran Oil, something to give America another way to get healthy.